In front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Then scroll down, click on Text Size and Boldness, and finally operate this slider under Text Size to adjust it. You can check out preview above. When you finished, click on the back button. As you can see, after that, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!